We've just learned how proteins are made. Proteins are a chain of amino acids that are pleated and folded and twisted and combined in order to form a protein. That protein has a specific job. It is critical that the protein is shaped correctly in order for it to do its job. And so what order the amino acids are in matters greatly. What we're going to look at now is if you know the mRNA, so let's say our mRNA strand goes A, U, G, C, G, A, G, U, C, U, G, A. All right, so random mRNA strand. And this little line here represents the sugar phosphate, sugar phosphate, sugar phosphate that make up the RNA nucleotide. So let's look at our very first mRNA codon. It is AUG. The first base is A. And so we look in this chart, we start in the middle. And here is the A. So now we are only concerned with this area of the chart that contains the A. Now we go to our second layer of the circle, and therefore our second base, and that is U. So here are options, G, A, C, U. It is U, so we are going to choose the U. Now we go to our third layer in the circle, and we look and check what our third base is. It is G. So A, then U, and this U has access to these letters right here, and our third base is G. So therefore, our amino acid that will match up the tRNA will bring the amino acid called methionine. And so here would be the anticodon if I was actually drawing a tRNA. All right, so now our second mRNA codon is CGA. I apologize. My handwriting is pretty bad, and writing on this screen doesn't really make it any better. So let's see here. Clean up that little mess. Now let's go with number 2. And our second mRNA codon is CGA. Start in the middle. First level is C. Then we go to our second level, G. Then our third one is A. And our amino acid is arginine. So our second one would be arginine. Okay, our third one is GUC. So once again, we start in the middle. This time it's G, then U for the second base, and then it doesn't really matter, but it is C for the third base, and that gives us valine. So valine. And then finally we have UGA. So U, G, A. And that leads us to a stop codon. So if I'm the ribosome reading this mRNA and I read UGA, I know that we are done. We are ending this protein right here. So this chain of amino acids ends right here. And so we have our final 3 amino acids were these right here. All right, thank you very much.